To find your PayPal Me link, start by logging into your PayPal account through the official website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear icon. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. On the settings page, look for the account settings or profile section and click on it. This section contains information about your account, including your profile picture, name, and email address. Scroll down to the Payments section, where you will find the PayPal Me option. The PayPal Me feature allows you to create a custom link that others can use to send you money. To find your PayPal Me link, click on the Get Started or Set Up button next to the PayPal Me option. This will take you to a page where you can customize your link by adding your name or a keyword. For example, if your name is John Smith, your PayPal Me link could be PayPal Me John Smith. You can also add a specific keyword to make it easier for others to find and remember your link. Once you have customized your link, click on the Save or Create button to generate your unique PayPal Me link. You can now copy and share your PayPal Me link with others, making it easy for them to send you money. You can share the link through email, social media, or messaging apps. When someone clicks on your PayPal Me link, they will be taken to a page where they can enter the amount they want to send and complete the payment using their PayPal account or a credit card. Best practices for using your PayPal Me link include keeping it private and only sharing it with people you trust. You should also be cautious when receiving payments from unknown sources and make sure to review the transaction details carefully before accepting the payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your PayPal Me link to receive payments easily and securely.